गणाधीश जो ईश सर्वा गुणांचा, मुळारंभ आरंभ तो निर्गुणाचा. नमो शारदा मूळ चत्वार वाचा, गमू पंथ आनंत या राघवाचा. Hello viewers, I am Apurva Barve, a certified stress management counselor. Thank you for joining me on my journey in decoding Manache Shlok to understand their impact on mental well-being. Manache Shlok is a collection of 205 verses composed by Samartha Ramdas in the 17th century. Samartha Ramdas begins his Manache Shlok in the traditional Hindu manner by seeking the blessings of two main Hindu deities, namely Lord Ganpati and Goddess Saraswati. He prays to Lord Ganpati and says, Ganadhisha jo ईश सर्वा गुणांचा, मुळारंभ आरंभ तो निर्गुणाचा. Ganadhish, that is Lord Ganpati, Lord Ganesh, is considered to be the Isha, that is the master of all gunas, means virtues. He is also considered to be the origin of all nirguna, which means the omnipresent divine consciousness. It is considered to be auspicious to pray to Lord Ganpati at the beginning of every new venture because he removes all the obstacles and takes the seeker closer to success. Because Manache Shlok is a dialogue with one's mind, Samartha Ramdas continues further and prays to Ma Saraswati, who is also called as Sharada. Namo Sharada Moola Chatvara Vacha. Goddess Saraswati is considered to bless a seeker with wisdom as well as Chatvar, which means 4 types of Vacha, which means speech. Only with her blessing it will be possible for us to have an effective dialogue with our mind. Gamu Pantha Ananta ya Raghavacha. At the beginning of any new journey, it is quite natural for us to feel scared and doubt ourselves. It is considered appropriate to invoke the blessings of our guides and protectors. Call it God, Almighty, Supernatural. The name is irrelevant. What matters is that you believe in yourself and do not lose sight of the goal. Even though this path, this pantha, is endless, I am still going to walk on it because it is going to take me to my Raghava, means Lord Ram. Call it happiness, call it your goal, but this path alone will take me there. This brings us to the end of Shlok 1. Thank you for joining me in this journey. If you like this endeavor, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in order to be with me on this journey, do not forget to click on the bell icon to get notification about all the new videos that I post here. Thank you.